Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today we're visiting the market and learning how to add 3-digit numbers. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Adding 3-digit numbers, using place value to add, adding without regrouping, and solving step by step. Adding big numbers becomes easy when we use place value. Before we add, remember, hundreds, tens, ones. We always add by place value. Let's add 234 plus 125. Step 1, add the ones. 4 ones plus 5 ones equals 9 ones. Step 2, add the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 5 tens. Step 3, add the hundreds. 200 plus 100 equals 300. So the answer is 359. Let's do another one. Let's add 452 plus 223. Step 1, add the ones. 2 ones plus 3 ones equals 5 ones. Step 2, add the tens. 5 tens plus 2 tens equals 7 tens. Step 3, add the hundreds. 400 plus 200 equals 600. So the answer is 675. Ones join ones, tens join tens, hundreds join hundreds. Everything stays in its place. Let's sing the addition place value song.
Ones first, add them right. Tens next, keep it tight. Hundreds last, now you see. Add them all. 1, 2, 3. Keep it lined, nice and neat. Place value makes it complete. Hey!
Add ones, then tens, then hundreds. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1, 123 plus 245. Correct, 368. Challenge 2, 341 plus 128. Correct, 469. Challenge 3, 210 plus 130. Correct, 340. Let's review what we learned today. You added 3-digit numbers, you used place value to add, you added without regrouping, and you solved step by step. Awesome work! For adding 3-digit numbers, you earned the Addition Starter Badge. Great job! Next time, what happens when numbers don't fit? We'll regroup. See you in Lesson 6. Bye, explorers!